Now go to Capcut, click on new project, import the video you have already edited. You get my point? So I'm using big hand video. This big hand video I posted some days ago to show you how to add phone frame to your videos. You get my point? So if you've not watched the video and you wish to learn how to do this particular effect, you will see a link at the top of your screen. You see it right there, so you can click on it so you go and watch it. But for now, make sure the video you want to bring in here so you can add the frame, make sure you have edited everything. You have added if you are the type of person that adds auto captions, make sure you add them already before you add this phone frame. You get my point? So the phone frame is right here on Capcut. What you need to do is to you have to go to sticker. Let's go to sticker. Where is sticker? Okay, look at stickers here. So you click on stickers. So let's go. So as you can see on my own here, you will see everything right here is free, just like I told you the other time that every feature, everything I'm using right here on Capcut, I'm using them for free. No pro, nothing at all. So but I'm still gonna swipe, just keep scrolling to you. When you get to this particular one that looks like a screen, you click on it, so you will see the phone frame right here at the number one right here is the phone frame. So let's click on it and see if it's going to appear. So look at the phone frame right there. You get my point? So you can enlarge it, make it big to the size you want it to be. You get my point? So now let's click on OK so we can do the adjustment very fine. So look at it here. So what you do, you tap on the video layer, the main video layer. Now resize it, make it small so you can enter the frame. I don't know if you get my point. So you tap on the frame layer. Now we know we have two layers. You tap on the frame layer. So what you need to do right here, after the adjustment, the settings, you tap on the frame layer, then you drag it to the end of that video. You just drag it to the end of that video, and that is how you are gonna get your phone frame in your video, just like what you see me do right here on screen. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you did not turn on the bell, this bell notification icon, guys, do that now so you'll be notified whenever I drop another amazing video tutorial. You get my point? So that's just it, guys. So guys, you want to know how I'm using all these Capcut features for free, all of them, chat me on WhatsApp. Let's strike a deal. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know. You get my point? So but this particular effect is free, anyone can use it. This particular phone frame effect is very free. You get my point? So that's just it. So guys, see you in our next video.